Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. After you wake up the screen, press the select button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the preferences, I believe. Yes, preferences, it's right here. And once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option called watch language. And once you find it, tap on it, of course. And here we have the list of languages we can select from. Select the language you would like to use by tapping on it, and the language will be applied. You can also select the option to follow the phone's language if you like to. And speaking of phones, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change the language through the phone application, through the ZEP application. So I'm gonna bring this to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera like this, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the ZEP application. In the ZEP application, tap on Profile, select the AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro from the list of devices, and here find the option called Watch Settings. Tap on it, scroll through the list of options, and you will see the system language. Tap on it, and you have the list of languages. You can find the language you would like to use. Tap on it to select it, and then tap on OK, and the language will be applied. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.